5 Realtor editing tips that sell homes faster. Most realtors lose potential buyers in the first 5 seconds of their videos. Want more views, more showings, and faster deals? These 5 editing tips will change everything. Tip 1. Grab attention instantly. Open with a bang. Show your best angle, like a luxury kitchen or pool, and add text like under 500K to hook buyers fast. Tip 2. Cut the fluff. Skip slow pans and unnecessary walking shots. Use jump cuts to move fast between rooms. Keep your pace tight. Think Instagram style. Tip 3. Overlay key features. Don't make buyers guess. Add text callouts for square footage, upgrades, school zones, or nearby parks. Tip 4. Always add captions. Most viewers watch on mute. Tools like Veed.io or CapCut can auto-generate captions and emojis to highlight key moments. Tip 5. Repurpose for social media.
One great listing video equals Instagram Reel,
Facebook post, YouTube short. Use tools like Opus Clip to auto-cut your content for multiple platforms. Don't want to do this yourself? At Brand Locally, we offer done-for-you video editing and social media management, especially for realtors. 1. Logo animation. 2. Realtor video editing. 3. Captions and overlays. 4. Social media posting. Just send us your footage and we'll turn it into leads. Ready to make your listings work harder? Click the link in the description or comment, Listing Pro, and we'll help you sell faster. Or check the description to get started with custom editing plus social media management. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.